Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to link bank account on Wise. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. And also make sure to check out the link in the description below where you can easily sign up for Wise. Obviously, you need to first of all log into your account, and once you are here, on the left side of the menu, you will find recipients. Just click on this option and you will end up over here. Here you can see I have my account over here already, and if you want to add more account over here, what you can do, just click on add recipient, and here you can see there's someone else, or you can add yourself, or you can go with the business or charity. So select any one of them. For this tutorial I'm going with the myself, and here we are, and select your currency obviously, and we have so many currencies over here. As you can see, a lot of currencies, whichever you want to go for, just select any one of them. For this tutorial I'm going with the US dollar, and once you click on that, you will see all the details related to US dollar bank account. And here you can add your ACH routing number and account number, and after that account, checking and savings. But there are two more options over here, like wire and swift. But there are some conditions. As you can see, if you go for the wire, your recipient may be charged an additional fee by their bank for incoming wire transfers. This may vary fee around $12 to $20. So you need to inform your recipient, whoever you are going to add. And we have swift over here. You can also go for this, but obviously if you send a USD to someone outside of the US, you will charge extra fees compared to domestic transaction, and obviously they will charge, obviously you are going to transfer US dollars to internationally. So these are the way you can use it, and obviously you need to enter your IBAN number and code number once you are going for the SWIFT. And if you're going for the wire, obviously you need to enter your Fedwire routing number and account number also over here, and account type. So these are the ones which you can choose, and after that just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you will end up over here, and you can start sending money from over there. And if you click on this, you will end up over here, and this is where you will see the whole information related to that specific account you have added. You can even send that money from over here, and obviously if you want to delete the account, you can also do that from over here. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to link bank account on Wise. You can add any bank account like this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.